and I've learned to love me too. Never have I felt that I could be all that you see. It's like our hearts have intertwined into the perfect harmony. This is why I love you. This is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me. This is why I love you. This is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me. I found love in you, and no other love will do. Every moment that you smile chases all the pain away. Forever and a while, my heart is where you'll stay. This is why I love you. This is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me.
Famalawato. Thank you very much, bride and groom, Simon and Alia.
Visions around you, and tears in your eyes, and all that's around you, no secrets and lies. I'll be your strength, I'll drink your love, keeping your fingers gone. The one you should know is standing alone. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong. Till the day life is through, this I promise you. This I promise you. I love you forever, in lifetimes before, and I promise you never will you hurt anymore. I give you my word, I give you my heart. This is a battle we won, and with this vow, forever has now begun. Just hold Every way to see is true.